Hello everyone, this is just a dad. I was putting in a recessed light and I kind of goofed and made the hole a little bit too bigger, but we can fix it with these goof rings. Okay, so you do have to disconnect the light and it is going to go on here. I did make the hole too big. So disconnect the light, put this on, then connect the light. Okay, so now it's really easy to put on and it did hide up all of my, where I kind of made a mess. Okay, so this is the 6-inch recessed lighting I did. And I cut too big a hole. It needed about a 6-inch hole. I cut just way too big. The overall light is 6 3/4. So again, we can see this one, the overall 8 1/2 looks like, and the inside is about 6 1/4. So it's made perfectly for these lights right here. Again, you're going to put this up. It's going to go underneath both hinges. Make sure the wire is up above. So yeah, there's what it'll look like when it's up in your ceiling. And again, yeah, there's the overall measurement. 8 1/2. They're not super thin. They are just a little thickness to them, but they're very durable. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.